to my kitchen. Okay, guys, I am doing a blueberry crumble here. I got to look right here. I am doing a blueberry crumble as requested. Oh my God, maybe a month or 2 months ago. You know who you are, and I'm finally getting to your blueberry crumble. Guys, so remember to hit that bell to be notified, like and share these videos with everybody. Don't forget to check me out on Roku, because if you can't catch me on YouTube, you can catch me over there. So let's get started. In this bowl, this is my crumble. I had 3 cups of flour, 1 cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. And to this, let me just stir it all up. I'm going to add in a stick and a half. This is my crumble, guys. I'm going to add in a stick and a half of butter and 1 egg. But we're going to do the butter first because we're making this crumble. I'm going to make it. And we're going to put it together. You're going to have your oven preheated at 375. And I'm going to use this thing right here. What's this thing called?
Cheese grater.
My cheese grater. to get this butter in here the way I want it to. I'm using my hand. Oh. Yes, and it happens a lot faster. Ooh. I should have graded it first, right, guys? Mm-hmm. So we be right back. I'll be finished grading this cheese. This cheese, this butter. See, a stick and a half. And you can use a pastry cutter. You can use, now I have a pastry cutter. I just choose not to use it. You use a pastry cutter.
Real chefs use their hands.
Or you could use 2 forks or 2 butter knives just to get this. And I always make a mess when it comes to this flour. I want to get it nice and gritty, guys. And I use a stick and a half of cold butter. That butter has to be it has to be cold. And it's to get it really, really gritty. I'm gonna add in 1 whole egg. But let me finish getting this gritty the way I want it, with that texture. I think I'm going to use 2 sticks of butter. Let's just make it like a cup of butter. And yes, this part is a little bit time consuming, but it's what makes that crumble. So guys, hope you're getting ready for the holidays. We got a lot of exciting videos coming up. Hope you guys got an upcoming video with me and my mom. She's finally back on a video that was so requested. People asked me for that video last year, and I just didn't do it because I don't like the smell.
It stink.
They stink. Mm-hmm. And then I don't eat them. But
nobody in here do except your mom.
Nobody eat them but my mother. Yeah, so she was willing, and she jumped right on in. I bet you guys can't guess what it is. You'll see on Tuesday. Okay, this is nice and crumbly the way I want it. And to hold that crumble, again, I always crack my egg. If it ends up being a bag egg, I'll be so disappointed. But it never does. And I'm going in with my egg just to give it that wetness, to add that extra crumbleness that I want. And you see what the egg does to it? Mm-hmm. And make it more crumbly.
Clumpy.
Clumpy, yeah. And that's what I want. I want that clumpy texture. And that's just what I want to do. Yes, look at this. Okay, and this is how I want it, nice and clumpy. Yeah, see, that's how you want your crumble to be. So, let me go ahead and put that in there. Everything that was on my hands, I want it to all go in my crumble. Okay. Grabbing this. I am using my iron skillet for this, guys. And I'm going to take my butter pack and I'm going to rub this around in here. I got 2 of them. Up around the side. Not a lot of butter. You don't need a lot. Just enough. It won't really stick. There you go. See how I butter that? And you're going to take half your crumble. And you're going to pat down. This is going to be your bottom base. And you can even take this. You want to get it flat. You see the bits of butter all in there, guys. Okay, I'm going to wash my hands. I'm going to set this aside. I'm going to wash my hands. Just come on, stay flat for me. I got sticky right there. Wash my hands. Place this aside. I'm going to put my blueberries together. We'll be right back. Okay, guys, we back. We need 4 cups of blueberries. These are frozen blueberries that I left thaw. And this is a 4-cup measuring cup. And I'm just going to pour it into my pie pan because this is where I'm going to mix it up at. Set that to the side. I want to set something to the side. I'm going in with a 1/2 cup of sugar. Just a 1/2 cup of sugar, you guys. That's it. That's all. I'm going in with 2 tablespoons. Not teaspoons, tablespoons. 2 tablespoons of cornstarch because that's going to help thicken the juices. I said the juices. That's going to help thicken the juices of your blueberries. You know, whether or not you want it all wet and everything like that. You want it thick or you want it nice and loose. And I'm just going to stir this up with the 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. But remember, you got a cup of sugar in that crumble. Y'all, sometimes I use frame of thought and I'm concentrating on the stir. I'm trying not to lose no blueberries. And you can use more cornstarch if you don't want it really juicy and loose and everything. But I think 2 tablespoons is more than enough. And then, what does go well with blueberry but lemon? You're going to use the zest. Yes. Well, I'm doing it this way first. The zest of 1 lemon. And it's just going to take it. Oh, this lemon. I mean, you zesting the lemon. Oh, my goodness. There's only the yellow parts. It smells so wonderful. See? The zest of 1 whole lemon. I'm going to stir that up. This is a quick recipe, you guys. And if you prefer more lemons, you can use the zest of 2. I just want that light touch of lemon. That's all I want, is a light touch of lemon. And you can squeeze maybe a teaspoon, not a tablespoon, a teaspoon of lemon juice in here. But I don't want to do all that. Here go my crumble pan. I got my oven that's preheated at 375. Ooh, look at all that blueberry. Right out the pie dish. You want a deep pan for this. Most definitely going to need 4 cups of blueberries, guys. My oven is already preheated, 375. Take the remaining of your crumble, and there you go. You want to leave it in some type of chunks. This will go in the oven on 375 for 40 to 45 minutes. And I'm telling you, this is going to be the best thing ever. Ooh, sister girl almost went down. Yes, it's messy, it's sloppy. By the time y'all come back, all this be nice and clean. and had them chunks in there. Mmm. There we go. In the oven. That's it. That's all. I'm finished. This is a quick dessert anybody can make. Quick, easy. You cannot go wrong with this dessert. And it's very quick and easy. So, in the oven, 375 for 40 to 45 minutes. We'll be right back. Okay, guys. This is my blueberry crumble out the oven. 40 minutes, 375. This is perfect. Oh, my God. Get your favorite ice cream, some whipped cream. Get your favorite bowl. Let's dig in. Oh my goodness. And it's still hot. Oh man, look at that. Look at that bottom crust. Look at that. Oh man, you have to top this with your favorite ice cream, guys. Look at the inside of there. Nice and juicy. It smells so delicious. Okay, guys. So, I like to have it open like that with the blueberry showing. That's how I like it. Guys, if I had some ice cream, I most definitely would top this with my favorite ice cream. Oh, my God.
I don't know once we wrap.
Oh my goodness, guys. So this is my blueberry crumble. Hope you guys love this video. Hope you keep enjoying all the videos I put out here, guys. And so next Monday, remember, every Monday is a dessert. If you got a Monday dessert you want me to try, guys, just hit me up at SoulfulT.com and I will add your dessert to my list. Every Monday is a dessert. I am out. Happy holidays!
Happy holidays!
Look at that macaroni.
I'm about to say it.